Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in the equation 7 times x minus 5 equals 16. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of isolating the variable x and determining its value. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Step 1 to solving the equation 7x minus 5 equals 16 is to isolate the variable term 7x on one side of the equation. First, we need to eliminate the minus 5 that is next to 7x. To do this, we need to perform the opposite operation of subtraction, which is addition. So we will add 5 to both sides of the equation. Our equation currently is 7x minus 5 equals 16. By adding 5 to both sides, we now have 7x minus 5 plus 5 equals 16 plus 5. On the left side of the equation, minus 5 and plus 5 cancel each other out. This leaves us with just 7x. On the right side of the equation, 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. So after this step, our equation is simplified to 7x equals 21. We add 5 to both sides of the equation to isolate the variable term. Step 2 to solving the equation 7x minus 5 equals 16 is to isolate the variable x. Our equation is now 7x equals 21. To isolate x, we need to remove the coefficient 7 that is multiplied by x. The opposite operation of multiplication is division, so we will divide both sides of the equation by 7 to isolate x. Our equation currently is 7x equals 21. By dividing both sides by 7, we now have 7x divided by 7 equals 21 divided by 7. On the left side of the equation, 7 divided by 7 cancels out, which leaves us with just x. On the right side of the equation, 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. So after this step, our equation is simplified to x equals 3. This is the final step. The value of the variable x is 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.